Workouts during the pandemic? You don't need a whole heap of gym equipment to do that. With exercises like dumbbell standing shoulder press and decline press-up, you only need your body weight, 2 dumbbells, and a ton of determination. Seems doable, eh? The best upper body home workout that will transform your body. Hey there, viewers! Strength training doesn't need heavy weights to get results. Rather, just using your weight is enough to build muscle and burn fat. Just to warn you, this workout is gonna be tough. Tough. But this should be a given if you're looking to build your entire upper body from the comfort of your work. Exercises like clap press-up and narrow press-up are included to give you a heads up. Anyway, keep pushing through the pain and you'll do fine. The move should get easier as you get more fatigued. Stay tuned for more. Number 1. Clap press-up. 3 sets of 3 reps, 15-second rest. Start in a press-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart and back straight. Next, lower until your chest is nearly touching the floor, then push explosively. At the same time, clap your hands together, then go straight into the next press-up. Number 2. Decline press-up. 3 sets of 8 reps, 15-second rest. You need to use a bench for this one. If not, then use your stairs or a chair. To start, place your feet on the bench with your hands planted on the floor in front of you. Lower your body until your chest nearly reaches the floor. Next, press your body back up to the initial position while squeezing your chest. Pause shortly at the top of the movement before repeating. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 3. Narrow press-up. 3 sets of training to failure. 15-second rest. Lie on the floor with your body straight and create a diamond shape using your hands. Lower your body down until your chest is almost touching the floor. Then press your body back up to the initial position, all the while squeezing your triceps and chest. Number 4. Isometric chest squeeze. 3 sets, 30-second reps, 120-second rest. First off, stand upright with both arms in front of you, bending it at a 90-degree angle. Next, lock your hands together and squeeze as hard as you can. Hold the contraction for 15 to 30 seconds, then relax. Number 5. Lateral raise to front raise. 3 sets of 10 reps, 15-second rest. For this move, a 15-second shake of the arms is all you're allowed. Begin by holding a dumbbell in each hand by your side. Second, slightly bend your knee and lift the dumbbells laterally until they're shoulder height. Finally, bring them back to the starting position before raising them directly in front of you. Repeat. Number 6. Dumbbell standing shoulder press. 3 sets of 10 reps, 120-second rest. Position with your feet shoulder-width apart. Next, with an overhand grip, stand holding 2 dumbbells at shoulder height. Then, press the weights up above your head until your arms are fully extended. Lastly, slowly return to the starting position. What do you think of this upper body home workout? Which moves are the easiest and hardest for you? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.